Tileway, part 2. Let's get into it. In top-level helper functions, we've added absolutely nothing. But beneath this section, within this U32 array section, we've added a tag to find this section easier. And we've added this new section, simple U32 array wrapper. So this is a constructor that creates a new U32 array, but it only takes the length and nothing else. And it just creates a new uint32 array, makes sure that it has the correct capacity, and then spits it out. Now, if you look at this function right here, this function might look at a glance to be the function you need, but it actually takes the length, and then it takes all of the parameters needed to initialize an array of that length. So if this value is 10, it actually expects 11 arguments total. So I couldn't use this in the code I was writing. So I needed this new function right here. Okay, so in database system, within the Tileway section, we've added some more explanations of what variables mean. Here's a shorthand reference to our constructor. Here's some math we're doing. You'll have to look at the long playlist to understand why I did this math, because I don't have time here. And here are both of our buffers. We have two buffers, so two plot point buffers, plot point buffer 0 and 1. They're both arrays. And then plot point buffer 0 and plot point buffer 1, length in instructions. So each instruction takes up two components. Okay, in this section, we got some more monkey wrench macros. We will probably move these into the monkey wrench macro section, because this is a lot of bullshit to clutter up kind of this section here. Okay, so next thing. Oh boy, come on. Okay, this is what we did previously, right? This is what we did previously. And then here is our footnotes for this video. And then down here is what we did in this video. A lot of stuff. These are kind of my explanations for why I did what I did. And you'll have to go to the longer video if you want an explanation. Here's the longer video here. You're on this playlist here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game that uses vertical, horizontal, and four-way proximity mines to create chaotic chain reactions of death.